Good morning, students. This is our second video of chapter 1, Evolution of Computers. So, children, as we have studied in first chapter, the computer that we are seeing at home has years of history behind it. Be- Before digital computer were invented, people used various machines to perform mathematical operations, and these machines and their inventors contributed to evolution of computing devices. Okay, so in this chapter we had studied about abacus. It is counting device that was invented by Chinese, and after to that Pascal adding machine, then ENIAC, UNIVAC, and also we had studied about the famous inventors, just like first Charles Babbage, that he was father of computer also, and he was English mathematician, and he invented mechanical computers. So that's why automatic mechanical computers, so that's why Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. Children, I will teach you today about UNIVAC. UNIVAC, its a full form is Universal Automatic Computer, and UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. It was first commercial computer produced in United States, and it was designed by J. Presper Eschert and John Maury. Okay, they are the inventors of ENIAC also, and some of the important characteristics of UNIVAC were used vacuum tubes as calculation device के लिए इसमें वैक्यूम ट्यूब का यूज़ किया जाता था, and used 5000 watts of energy and could handle both text and numeric data, and is also used magnetic tape as secondary memory. Okay, so children, now come to the generation of computers. Okay, so children, there are 5 generation of computer: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. They are the 5 generation of computers, and in this generation there are different that data input operations, and that different external storage things is using language, and here is also given example just like in first generation. ठीक है, फर्स्ट जनरेशन कब से कब तक था? 1942 1956. ओके, एंड इन दिस जनरेशन what were used? Vacuum tubes, and how data inputs in this vacuum tubes? By the punch cards and paper tapes. Okay, and आउटपुट कैसे मिलता था? प्रिंट आउट के थ्रू आउटपुट मिलता था, एंड इट्स एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज क्या था उसका? मैग्नेटिक टेप जो होता था वो उसका एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज होता था जिसमें डेटा स्टोर होता था, एंड इट्स लैंग्वेज इज machine language and assembly language. Okay, and you can see the examples also. Here is examples. These are the computers of examples you had studied in this chapter. Okay, after that second generation. In this generation the time period is 1956 to 1963, and which type of machines there were used? Yes, transistors was used, and data input operation that was used by the punch card and paper tape. After to that its output comes out from printouts, or in this also there were magnetic tape were used, and language, Fortran language, COBOL, BASIC. These are the languages that computer understood. Okay, and here is example of these generation machines, that is IBM 1400 and 700 series, IBM 350. In such a way, these all generations is written here, their time period is also written here. Fifth generation आप देख सकते हो here, fifth generation, that is present and beyond, अभी जो चल रहा है. Okay children, in this here you can see with artificial intelligence, जो रोबोट इस जनरेशन में अभी बन रहे हैं, दिस आर बेस्ड ऑन द कंप्यूटर. ओके, ये भी वही चीज़ है, और ये इतना ज़्यादा एडवांस हो चुका है कि हम लोगों के इंस्ट्रक्शन पर तुरंत ये वर्क करता है एज लाइक अ मैन. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी विल सी टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज microcomputers. Second type of computer is mini computers. Third, it is mainframe computer. Fourth, supercomputer. So there are 5 type of computers. Here first type of computer, it is microcomputer. So children, here computers is different type with respect of size, speed and storage capacity, cost. सारी चीज़ों पर डिपेंड करता है, उसका साइज के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्यूटर को डिवाइड किया गया है, उसका स्पीड कैसा है, उसकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी कैसी है. तो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इन 4 पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज़ माइक्रो कंप्यूटर्स. डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स, लैपटॉप, tablets and smartphones are all type of microcomputer. The microcomputer are especially designed for general uses like entertainment, education and work purpose. These computers are the cheapest among the other 3 type of computer. Okay, so the computers we are using, हम लोग जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं नॉर्मल, ये डेस्कटॉप आप देख सकते हो, लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर, हैंड हेल्ड कंप्यूटर जिसको टैबलेट भी बोलते हैं. सो दीज आर कंप्यूटर इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ माइक्रो कंप्यूटर. माइक्रो कंप्यूटर के अंदर का ये जो माइक्रो कंप्यूटर है वो इस तरह से होते हैं और हम लोग इसको यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज़ मिनी कंप्यूटर. हियर इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी मिनी कंप्यूटर्स. Mini computers are used by small business and firms. These computers are not designed for a single user. Mini computers may contain one or more processors, support multiprocessing and tasking. Next, third type of computer is mainframe computer. Children, mainframes are not as powerful as supercomputer, but certainly they are quite expensive. Okay, it is expensive. It supports multi-users environment where many users can work, and also it provides good processing speed, large storage and space. Okay, so it is mainframe computer. Next, the supercomputers. The most powerful computer in term of performance and data processing are the supercomputers. These computers are used for research and exploration purpose. Some example of India supercomputer are Param, Mihir. These are the name of supercomputer. You can see picture here. Here is examples of supercomputers name. ठीक है. Okay, so children, the chapter is finished over, and I hope you understood about the history of computer, generation of computer, the types of computer. Okay, so in next video we will do the exercise. Thank you.